we carry the flame, bro?
Yup. I just heard something shatter.
He was probably his mirror.
Yeah.
New York.
Dude,
where is this actually?
No, I think this is New York. I think you're.
I think it is
New
the
York
bridges,
or Chicago.
And New York, more than like. Okay. I was too busy on the bridge. I just noticed that car like when it already crashed.
Dude, oh no, we've seen this one. He's reused
Actually, yeah,
it.
it does look familiar.
Wait, this one doesn't loop though. Okay, so this is just like the actual video. Okay.
Oh, okay. Wait, I remember this. Yeah, this was the one that was like time looped or some shit.
Yeah, the one we saw had the car coming in again. It looped. Dude, that's crazy. You just hit your garage and ran away.
Low key, it kind of makes sense though if you think about it though.
I need that Grinch apple pie, bro.
This is the shittiest dash cam I've ever seen. Ever.
Yeah.
This is so bad.
You might as well just not have.
Holy
honestly.
fuck.
Yeah, I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that car, dude. It's that bad of a dash cam.
With a bunch of grass, dude. What the fuck is this guy listening to?
I don't know,
actually, what
I
is
don't
he
know, but he was
listening
way
to?
too calm.
Halloween ass music.
Oh, he recovered. He recovered. Look.
There goes all your pills. They're all gone.
Oh.
Okay, that's fucking
Bro,
stupid.
you caused that because you honked at him, man.
Not literally, though.
Get out and take his thing. Take it. What? What the fuck was the point of that?
Dude, it's so fucked up that no one told him it was hooked up wrong. All these fucking people here, and no one told him hooking up to the grill is a bad idea.
Dude, what is this? Okay.
I mean, they can pay
Video
for whatever
protected.
just happened.
That dude just went back in his driveway. He's like, nope, not today. I'm going
This
to bed.
is Europe.
This is disgusting
Or,
ass
like-
Europe. You're right.
Maybe it's
I
not
feel like
Europe.
this might be like Spain or like Italy
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah,
Like,
space for sure. I agree.
Yeah, this is the moon. Okay.
Yeah,
I
only
am-
Europeans would do stupid shit like that to be. Dude, the Omer! Let's go to the Omer!
wait, this was during the pandemic.
Look, dude, it's
2021. Look.
Dude,
Oh, yeah,
what?
you're right. This was during the pandemic. I bet that guy right there got the tracksuit.
He's got a butt chin mask on. Did you see him?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I bet that person was texting and driving.
Holy, yo, that's sick though. That's sick. I'd keep that. I'd keep
Fortnite
it.
Trails be like,
Literally, yeah.
Dude,
ballin'.
people, dude,
Oh my-
are you motherfuckers not looking at the road? I just like
It's
come
one thing to
on.
not,
What is
and then,
this?
like, you're on the freeway and you're still not looking at the road. Come on.
Also,
Dude, what is this?
It is insane.
Actually, what is
There's
this?
cops here and they're not blocking.
Yeah, they're not
the car.
coning it off. Like, what are you doing, bro?
Like, did they just forget the cones at home? They're like, guys, I forgot the cones at home. We can't block the car. Just wait there. He'll be back in 10 minutes. 10 more people crash into the fucking car. Like, you can see it too. There's multiple people. Like the guy on the right too. Like multiple people have hit this car.
Crazy, man. It's like everyone driving into a banana peel on purpose, like in
literally,
Mario
dude.
Kart.
It's some Mario Kart shit.
I saw like a glimpse.
Kid said, watch me GTA style,
Oh
dad
god.
gonna be mad.
This was me driving in the parking lot for the first time ever, bro.
Can't say.
It was this year in the parking lot for the first time ever,
Yeah, I was
like doing donuts and shit.
Yeah, man. I couldn't help myself, bro. Look at the
Fucking Tokyo drifting.
I would not be
Oh
that
my god!
It's over.
Wow.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's get some yummies.
I like CVS. That
really
is some
hope there
final
wasn't-
destination
Yeah.
shit, man.
Dude, I really hope someone wasn't in the passenger seat there. Jesus.
Okay, the funniest thing is that like the car that did it, just like nothing happened. There was nothing, dude.
Yeah.
Like it's just like nothing
He was just
happened.
like,
It just
"Achoo."
tapped it. Like,
It's crazy.
I love that we got audio
What
the
is this
second
guy
of the
listening
hit
to?
too.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think he was listening to My Chemical Romance.
That's what the name. Yeah, okay, I couldn't think of the band. Also, ow.
He was
They
listening to
did
the
run
Black
that red.
Parade.
This guy's going really fast.
No, he
Oh,
needs to
never
go
mind.
faster.
Nope, he's just gonna. Okay. All right, dude.
Go
Kind
around
of
him.
pathetic if you think about it.
It's such an embarrassing crash.
Yeah, everyone's
honestly,
looking at you
man,
when you're
I
trying to
just get
back
out of my
up.
car and I start humping everything, bro. Oh. Me when I'm not paying attention
Holy
whatsoever.
fuck.
It's the Roller Ryan Show. Don't forget, 8 o'clock this morning, the 25K pay.
Oh, this is like San Diego.
This is like Los Santos, bro.
Yeah, this is Los Santos. Only 55? That's stupid.
Yeah, this is some
you should be
shitty
allowed
area.
70.
This is like near a city.
I think it's straight up,
These
dude. I think
roads
this
are
is
dog
LA.
shit. No, this is like California or something for sure. The
Yeah.
roads are terrible.
Yeah, that is some ass.
That's.
Is there audio? Oh, never
I
mind.
mean, what was he gonna
insane.
do? What other choice did he have?
He could have waited.
Yeah, honk.
Is this like
This is
Dubai?
Dubai.
Like, like the outskirts of
This is like
Dubai?
fucking Dubai or something, dude. Like this is
Lamona.
fucking Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, we should do a special episode on idiots in cars, but in Saudi Arabia.
It's just gonna be them all flipping over the desert. It's like all they
yeah,
do
but
there.
like we can do it. And we're
They
sponsored,
literally
you know,
like
make $1 billion.
they literally only crash their cars doing insanely stupid shit because no one drives on the road there. There's no one who owns fucking
That's what I'm
cars in
saying,
Saudi
man.
Arabia.
We got to sell our souls and become Saudi Arabia princes.
They have all. I would be a Saudi prince if they would just gave me the title. Where it's like, here's a bunch of money. I would just fix the country, dude. It'd be so easy.
Yeah.
How the fuck are you gonna fix the country?
First
Like
of all,
actually,
I'd be
how-
like,
too.
okay, guys, the slave labor stuff gotta go. We can't be doing that shit. We have too much oil to be doing that
And you're
shit.
beheaded. GG.
No,
Try
but I'm
again.
the
Yeah,
prince.
you're
They
dead.
can't do that. I'm
You're already
the
dead.
prince.
You're already dead.
They-
You're already
they-
dead.
No, that's not how that works. Though they can't do it. I'm the
Oh,
prince.
it's absolutely. Actually, I don't know if Saudi Arabia is watching this. Maybe it's not how it works. I don't know.
the
Okay.
entire country of Saudi
entire-
Arabia. I'm with
This is
Pogo. We
Texas.
should do a special Saudi episode.
Mhm.
Dude, that's so fucked up.
Should have used glue.
This is Germany.
This is the UK.
No, this is Germany.
Yeah, we don't
Nah,
have
dude.
a roundabout. We call it the donut blooded.
This isn't Germany, dude. It's not.
You're right. A German driver wanted to crash like that.
What is happening here? Did I miss something? Oh, okay. There it is.
Well, that
like-
sucked.
I'm not gonna
Chase
do it. That's my
Bank.
thrust. He's a little hurt.
That was an insane run. He's still going. He's still fucking going.
Oh, of course, man. You can't lose your speed now.
Yeah, he's got a job to be at.
I don't stop my bicycle when I'm going down a hill, man.
Oh my, no, I would be pissed.
Holy shit, fuck.
They didn't-
What
they
what
didn't
has
fuck
they
up their
got in
car
the
at all.
fucking front?
I think their airbag went off.
Yeah, probably. Dude, what is this stupid, ugly-ass neighborhood?
15-year-old
Fuck off.
Matthew Kent was out for a jog.
Dude, this fucking
The
audio
fuck are you
book, I
listening to?
can't.
Okay.
Discovered something.
Did you not have it in,
No,
like,
they had
drive?
it in
looking at your
reverse. They
phone?
literally had it in reverse.
Yeah, 100%. That's fucking wild, man.
This is California because the gas is $7.
It's also dry as hell everywhere.
This is the
Yeah, this is like the most beige, dusty, sandy
Dude, that's a
fucking
big
city
lake,
I've ever
okay?
seen.
Yup, we're driving in the ocean, bro. Fuck it.
He made it though,
Oh
look.
no,
I
he
think
did
something
it.
broke.
Fuck.
What broke there? Uh-oh.
Turn on your lights, dude.
A MILF man, what?
A MILF.
This is Texas.
What do you know the MILF
Oh,
man? The
Jesus.
MILF man. Bingo and gaming.
Did that just shit just say grok file, or am I making shit up in my head?
I'm a grok
It didn't
file.
say that, but now that you said that, I can't unhear it. I just know it didn't say grok file. Hello?
I just lag out.
No?
No, I don't know.
What
Fucking
happened? What the fuck?
nothing. What happened for you? Fucking.
What the
That was a little dramatic,
Oh
man.
my god. Okay. That did not look like they were going fast enough to warrant, like, almost flipping, but sure, fuck it.
Dude, they were going like 60, and they suddenly...
It didn't look like it was 60, bro.
That was like 40, I'll be honest. Oh, this should be good.
You still can't
Whose
just
innocent
make a
car is
sharp
about to
turn
get
at 40.
This is the UK, man. It's the UK, it is.
Who's fucking, which civilian's about to get ruined? Yeah, there we go. Fucking,
What innocent life is about to be fucking devastated?
literally, like someone's life has just been devastated from that. Like, oh, sorry, he did it to them as well.
You gotta max it out, you know.
What's this idiot
They're
doing?
still going, bro.
Look, someone came out the fucking. Oi!
Dude, it's like they were waiting.
Get his
Oh
ass,
my God,
Daredevil!
they just
Get
hit
his
the
ass!
fucking house. They just
The
had.
fucking
They have to be
vigilante.
drunk or something.
Yup. I drive at 100 miles per hour on this road. Wouldn't feel bad or
Dude,
anything.
the
Yeah.
fucking music on this is insane.
Yeah, literally. I just heard like a TikTok ambient noise.
Yeah, it's playing.
Dude, this needs audio. You can just feed.
Yeah.
This video's loud as shit. Okay.
Beep, beep, beep. It bleeds. Oh, it's quiet again.
Honk.
Okay.
Honk. Honk. Oh.
Ooh. Beep, beep, beep.
Okay, Gorman.
Okay, Gronk.
Okay,
Serve
Gordon.
my shit. Crazy. Okay, there we go. We got audio. We're good, guys.
Why are they living in the woods, bro?
Dude, the
What is
woods, the
this?
best
Hella good
place to
quality
live.
camera. Uh-oh.
Oh, he's
That can't
stuck.
be good.
Well, their car is front wheel drive. We know
That can't be
that.
good. That can't be good.
He's moving though. He's schmoving. Just speed up a bit.
Barely.
Speed up. Yeah, he needs the hook.
Yeah.
Dude, don't
Get
back
the grappling
up.
hook and just like attach himself to one of those cars.
Oh, no.
Drag himself out.
How did they miss the driveway
over.
so bad?
It's over, man. It's just over.
Oh
No,
no!
I'm
don't
trapped
hit
with all
like
the
a tree.
leaves.
Oh my
Oh,
god!
the whole
No,
from that?
dude.
Is your car made of fucking paper?
No, it's just too low to the ground. It's scraped in the ground.
Fucked up, man. This society, I tell you.
He puts it back on. That's great.
Get out with a
That's
stapler.
great. Dude!
This is still going, man. What?
Dude,
drive.
He should have just fucking turned around if it was gonna be this big of a deal.
Dude, this is the shittest driver I've ever seen. Like,
No,
even I know
literally.
this guy sucks balls.
Oh my god, he ran over the other part of his car.
Through the cement, bro? Through the fucking tarmac?
He just kept going too. That's amazing.
Gotta get these kids to school, little dude.
He's just going straight through, dude.
Oh man.
I mean, what are they gonna do, man? What
Now
are they
they
gonna
have
do?
to redo all the concrete, bro. It's so fucked up.
How difficult can it be to fix that? Like, actually, it's just a bunch of sludge.
You say that, but like, you know the pain of like your editing project closing, and then you have to redo shit. Like,
No.
dude, fuck you, Jimbo.
I've never been sad about that because I enjoy editing. I enjoy
You enjoy
redoing
doing
things
this
I've already
shit you
done.
just did.
Yeah.
You're a fucking psychopath. I don't know what to
I
tell
love
you.
it. I fucking love it.
It's time to spend 10 years at the sludge factory,
Yeah, dude, you're just
boy.
you're just the fucking syphilis guy. You're just pushing the fucking boulder up the hill all the
Yeah,
time.
you're the
Yeah, well,
sissy guy,
that's
bro.
what
You're a
life is,
sissy.
dude. You're never gonna reach the top of the hill. Like, just accept that everything is just redoing something
No,
someone else has already
I
done.
refuse. That's cringe.
We gotta deliver this giant pizza, quick!
This is Texas.
That shit's greasy as hell. You already know.
Dude, holding on to a mattress is fucking
Yeah,
insane.
yeah.
I love it. I
Okay,
love that
yup.
they just put this picture for the thumbnail.
Bridges in video games be like. Oh, where do I have to go? I wonder. Oh. Oh, they dig it in him. They dig it in him finally, bruh.
This is
Oh,
beyond
digging in 'em.
stupid. This is so fucking dumb.
I may not be a smart man, but
But are we
I
in
know
low
something's
tide
fucked
right
up
now?
when I see
Are we
it.
in low tide right now?
Dude, what is this contract? What is? Oh, it's recording. Okay.
He's filming it on, like, the security
Yeah, I think it's like
footage.
a
OBS
Tesla,
is free,
Tesla
man. Just download
dashcam.
that. Something is gonna happen.
What the fuck are you doing? Literally,
Someone's storage
dude.
unit just got fucked, bro.
What?
This guy, what are you filming, bro? What do you mean, holy shit?
No,
Was that
no,
your friend?
I'm telling you, this was his friend. They thought this is the stupidest shit in the world. They thought they could do this jump and have nothing wrong happen. Right? This is a comedy sketch. Right in front of this fucking, like, really, this is a lined up shot to crash straight into this shit. I don't know how the fuck you could ever do this and think anything else is gonna happen. Like, what the fuck, dude?
Look at this stupid ass. Look, now watch the traffic around here. Ain't nowhere for you to go. You see this? Nowhere to go.
Okay.
And you want to rush to go around this motherfucker. You let y'all see before he runs somebody off the motherfucker. Look,
I like when the protagonist
It's
is
gonna be him.
funny.
He's gonna run him off the road.
Look at this stupid motherfucker.
I just would not fucking risk this, man. This guy's an idiot, you know?
You see this motherfucker Swift driver.
I love that truckers have like stereotypes of who drives what car.
Look at this.
Get his ass.
What he gonna do, y'all? Look at
Okay.
this. Look, he's gonna run a little car off the road. Look.
The little car, the little baby car, bro, about to get killed.
Look at this.
This is China.
Man. Jesus Christ. What am I even looking at? This looks not even real.
It does look
This
fake
is like
as
this looks
fuck.
like a painting or some shit.
Yeah,
Like,
art.
Like, oh, that's safe, probably.
His dog just is out of his car and barking at me.
Yeah, they do that.
Yeah, dogs do bark. That thing definitely would go after a toddler if there was one here.
yeah, that thing would kill.
Back in the fucking car.
Yeah, because his dog probably does it all the time. I don't think it's smart at all, but like, come on.
This is ridiculous.
That dog's surfing, bro. He doesn't give a
No,
fuck.
this is a
He's like-
this is a ridiculous thing to get like really pissed about.
He's vibing, bro. He's in his own little world.
Literally, like the back window was open. Clearly, he could crawl back in if he wanted to.
Guys,
Like,
get off the bike lane. What the fuck is? What is
Nah,
this?
yeah, dude, that is for
Like-
cyclists only. That is not a cyclist.
What a
It's
bunch
not
of
a bike.
assholes, bro. SoFlo dash cam. Can your watermark get any larger?
Dude, imagine the court footage of shit blocks something important.
No, literally though. Like, as soon as you buy that shit, and you see that, it's like, dude, I gotta take this back and get a different one. Come on. You
There's
buy
like a
something and they got a
UFO
nerve.
getting blocked by the watermark.
Oh, I was gonna say, is he gonna
Dude.
just swerve into this guy?
The cop's going the wrong way. That's okay.
And the cop's at fault here. Is he gonna
Yeah.
fucking, you know?
Is he gonna pay for
say,
that?
Yeah, it was my bad, or is he just gonna shoot that person in the fucking that was driving the other car? Okay.
I would.
Yeah, we're just going on a ride, dude. I'm not stopping, actually. Dude, that's was that a police car?
Yeah, they're trying to catch this guy, but they are
Jesus.
failing.
Oh, okay. I
Keep
thought they were just
going! They can't stop
ramming
you if you
into a
keep
dude that did
going!
nothing.
See, if I was the guy in the red truck, I would wait till they got out and hobbled to my car and then left.
Look at him running,
That
dude.
fucking
He's
guy
He
getting
jumped
out.
over a bush.
All right, if you don't want to get stopped by the hobbling police officers, leave a comment down below and subscribe for new click. Check us out. Bye!